Bullish SPEL token cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0, $0 2030. Market investigators accept SPEL could reach $0 2025. Bearish SPEL token market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. SPEL token presentation. SPEL token is the local administration and marking badge of cross-blockchain loaning stage Abracadabra Cash. Fundamentally, the DeFi loaning project allows clients to set up security in return for its stablecoin, $MIM. When MIM is in your wallet, you can trade it for other stablecoins or digital currencies where MIM is acknowledged. While this idea isn't new in the DeFi space, Abracadabra contrasts from stages like OFF since it acknowledges revenue-bearing tokens like $Memo, $XSushi and different bend, raised tokens as guarantee. Abracadabra likewise offers yield-cultivating valuable open doors, where clients can stake their liquidity supplier tokens to cultivate SPEL token. The venture was established by Daniel Sesta, who is additionally liable for Popsicle Money and Wonderland, both on the torrential slide chain. Close by him are 0x Merlin and Squirrel, prime supporters of Abracadabra, who deal with the stage and all in all recognize themselves as individuals from the Frog Country local area. Notwithstanding the peculiar name, Abracadabra's prosperity represents itself with no issue. Last year, it produced a normal of $2.2 million every week in charges and around $5 billion in TVL. Also, the organization kept $120 million in yearly income. The focal point of this article is to give you an exhaustive value forecast of SPEL token from 2022 to 2030. That's what to do. We will initially cover the parts of Abracadabra Cash and how every component meets up to offer some incentive to its clients. Then, we will likewise investigate the authentic cost activity as well as the job of SPEL token in the biological system. Investigating Abracadabra Cash. Abracadabra Money is a decentralized crypto loaning stage that permits clients to collateralize computerized resources in return for stablecoin credit. In any case, Abracadabra is one of a kind in that it uses interest-bearing tokens, a sort of liquidity supplier token, as guarantee. These IBKNs are turning out to be progressively normal all through the decentralized money space. They create consistent returns, expanding in esteem the more one holds them. This development assists at Abracadabra and its auxiliary advances with enjoying SPEL token and sorcery web cash aside from the current DeFi loaning stages accessible. Stablecoin credits empower financial backers to enhance yields while holding responsibility for computerized resources. For instance, financial backers can sell or reinvest their advance returns, advancing more complicated exchanging techniques. By and large, DeFi conventions like Bend, Long, and Sushi swap mint IBKNs as a component of the credit structure. Abracadabra Cash expects to additionally decentralize DeFi speculation open doors by presenting these IBKNs as guarantee and stablecoin advances. The Abracadabra environment addresses the most current class of decentralized finance stages, DeFi 2.0. DeFi 1.0 time relied upon leasing liquidity like remunerating yield ranchers in return for liquidity, while DeFi 2.0 underscores convention-claimed liquidity or PAL. Essentially, in the event that you apply for a new line of credit in the stage, your security bears interest, making it a self-reimbursing advance. SPEL token current cost. SPEL token is right now worth $0. SPEL has moved 4.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $30,178,008. SPEL token is right now positioned 250 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $93,800,860 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for SPEL token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous SPEL token market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. SPEL token value forecast 2022. SPEL token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SPEL cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. SPEL is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2023. In 2023, SPEL token SPEL cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SPEL will before long outperform $0. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the SPEL's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SPEL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SPEL might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SPEL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. SPEL token value forecast 2025. In the event that SPEL token effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the SPEL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SPEL will be green in 2025. The SPEL is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SPEL token value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SPEL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, SPEL has a most extreme value worth of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SPEL figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help SPEL needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. SPEL token value forecast 2028. While SPEL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. SPEL token value expectation 2029. By 2029, SPEL token will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. SPEL token value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SPEL cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. What is the SPEL token cost today? Today, SPEL token is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $93,800,860. Is SPEL token a wise venture? SPEL token ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that SPEL is a decent decision of venture. How high can SPEL token go? The typical cost of SPEL token might conceivably reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that SPEL token might outperform $0. What amount will SPEL token be worth